Be any applications?
No.
Okay. What's a beautiful color?
Yeah.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 002218 State versus Carlos White. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garaham for state, Your Honor.
Lauren Lupton for Mr. White.
And are you Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just one moment off the record. Deputy Laura, could you have them move to the other end? All right, we're back on the record. Mr. White, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up a little bit louder so I can hear, the court reporter can hear, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement paragraphs and proceeding on the state jail.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. White, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
No.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty through one, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently confident and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. White, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
All right, state any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections.
Did you review the waiver and state you may be excused? Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
The only thing I would say is, Mr. White and I did explore many options for alternatives to this sentence. And I commend him for being willing to participate in specialty courts. And unfortunately, he just wasn't accepted into any of them. So I hope he seeks continuing care upon his release.
All right, what are your plans once you're released? Do you have A place to go?
Yes, my sister wanted me to go live with her, but I'm thinking about going to the Haven for a whole.
Okay,
And I'm gonna work with his family.
all right. So you're probably, when you're released, the best thing that you probably can do is go to Center for Healthcare Services. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because otherwise, what's going to end up happening is you're going to keep getting arrested. You understand?
Yes,
And I understand that sometimes when people have mental health issues and they're not on their mental health medication, then usually they resort to using controlled substance.
Mhm.
And those controlled substances are against the law. You understand?
Mhm.
And I've read the police report, and the way you're presenting now is not the way you presented in the police report. So that tells me that when you're on your medications, you're fine.
Yes, ma'am.
And I understand that sometimes medications, they have side effects and then you don't want to take them. Or either sometimes you say, I'm feeling great, so why am I on meds? But for you, you're going to have to stay on your medications. If there are any side effects, you're going to have to let the doctor know, because otherwise, more likely than not, you'll end up back before a criminal judge, and you don't want that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. This is the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served, and I'll request the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it's just a program that's designed to help you with your mental health, to help you with your drug addictions. Do you understand?
Ma'am.
So you will serve no more than 180 days, but you're receiving credit for any time that you've already been in custody on this offense. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything you don't understand about my sentence?
And
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you sign it?
yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. When you are released from the state jail facility, if for some reason you can't find a mental health facility, or you don't remember this, because sometimes people go and they forget, right? You can come back to this court and I will pick up the phone and call a place for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any questions about anything? All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank
You're
Talk
welcome.
to your family. Okay? Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
You too. Have a good one.
Thank you.